How you doing? It's Ryan from First and Emergency Product. We're checking out part 2 of the Clinton PD K9 rear cabinet install. Let's head over and check out the guys on the progress of their install. And then after that, we're gonna show you the reveal with Jason and get his feedback from that. They got the tailgate closed and everything for you.
It's like the big reveal here. Yes. Holy crap. That is custom. Wow. You got both their names in it and everything. Dude, that is way above and beyond. Holy crap.
You got some stuff on both sides too of the drawers.
Oh my God. Yes, that'll work perfect. That is weapon storage to a T right there. Wow. I love the new handles too. Dude, you guys went above and beyond on this one. Wow. So solid, movable.
And if you need more, if you find out, if you find out you need more down the road, we can always cut more.
You know, the one concern I did have is whether it was going to be too high to like reach in. This is, all my concerns with that are gone right now.
And you saw your Academy mate's number on the inside. You missed that, didn't you?
I thought that was a model number. I thought that was a serial number. Yeah, that's DeMonte and Hamzy's number. Mm-hmm. Wow. That is awesome. Dude, I got the chills just seeing that. All right, I'm getting choked up now. That's perfect. This was worth it. That is beautiful. I'm at a loss for words now. That was a huge detail to throw in there that I never expected. That is so awesome. I like it, guys. Thank you to everybody.
Yeah.
Everybody who had anything to do with it, thank you.
We're here again with Corporal Frey from the Clinton, Connecticut Police Department, and we just finished revealing off to him his new K9 cabinet. This is our new plastic Poly Series drawer system for your pickup beds or other vehicles. It is going to be made completely out of plastic, HDP material, to allow for no corrosion, expansion, you know, some of the other problems that you can run into with using wood in the back. Even though it's spray coated, it's not the best solution. We were able to put this together that we're giving to them with our distributor partners such as DB Roberts, ENT Plastics, and Plascolite. Jason, so you want to give us your initial thoughts? And
I mean, this is awesome. I mean, not just the reveal you guys did to me, but just the overall concerns I had about how I could fit my equipment in there. I mean, you addressed everything, just from the ability to customize each individual slot, but the lockable cabinet for all my firearms and DEA related products that I have to have secured by our policy, but just the customization of my K9's names, our department logos, everything on the side that looks beautiful, and the customization of, you know, the reason why I have my current dog. It was incredibly humbling. I was nervous how it was going to work. You know, I had things in my head, and you guys kept them all secret on me, and I get it now. It was definitely worth the wait, but
to the point where we're covering it up and you're trying to check on the dogs.
It was a legit gender reveal. Like, I had no idea what to expect. I just know what we talked about, and I gave you freedom to do what you do best, and you knocked this one out of the park.
Thank you.
I mean, that's perfect.
I know the guys took a lot of time going over what you needed and whatnot, and we took a lot of your feedback from what you needed, and we were able to, you know, make something around you. So we want you to, you know, take it, enjoy it, and put it through its paces. And
I will. Definitely appreciate it. I'm sitting here talking to you. I know I'm doing an interview, but through my mind, I'm already figuring out what's going in what cabinets.
When you get home and your wife's going to be out, you're going to be outside putting everything in it.
I'm a kid at Christmas right now. I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
No problem. Well, enjoy.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.